Hello, my name is Linda Kirezi, and I'm here to present to you the different ideas on the advertising proposal that I've been working on. These ideas will help Akim Widget to advertise for its product called Akim Beach Cruiser. Within this video presentation, I'll talk about the introduction and target market for the Akim Beach Cruiser. I'll explain the print ads and the script for the 3-second TV spot. I'll also give you the details of how the ad demonstrates the vintage theme and why they will be successful with the targeted market proposed. I'll close up with a conclusion. The target market will be 2 countries, and the first one will be USA, which has three main states such as Minnesota, Colorado, and Washington, D.C. This is because these states are the ones which are bicycle friendly, and it was also described by the Bike League in the USA. The other country will be Netherlands, since it is a country that has a lot of cyclists compared to any other country. In our target market, we shall focus on the demographics, which will be the adults in general, both female and male, and they will be aged between 19 years old and 45 years, since these are the people that are seen to be the highest boomers who ride bikes. This is also going to favor Akim Widget to sell a lot of bikes by looking at each of the factors of each country. For example, in Netherlands, we see that there is a high population. This leads to some people, it affects people's transportation, since these people will not reach where they want to reach on time by using transportation means like cars, buses, or any other mean of transport. Hence, these bicycles then will be easy and faster, and also will be time saving. The target market will know about these new products through different ways, but one of the most important way is that it will reach them through campaigns and by use of print ads relating to different historical influences. As seen on the prototype provided, the prototype print shows a vintage of 1890s, and the prototype has a persuasive headline that evokes customers to buy Akim Beach Cruiser. It has also a visual image that is the main hero image, which shows that the ad is promoting a bicycle that is matching the headline that is in the ad, and the image is also referred to as a product shot of the ad. The ad also has a tagline which says that Akim Beach Cruiser, the best choice for everyone. This tagline serves as a slogan, and this is there to sum up everything that was said in the body or the text of the ad. Lastly, the ad has a call to action, whereby every ad must have a call to action, which is the purpose of an ad. And it also the purpose of the call to action is to engage the viewer and educate them and get them to buy what is being promoted in the ad. So looking at the ad, we can also see something else that adds value to the vintage of the ad, which is that the ad is expressing how one becomes happy with friends when riding their bikes. Lastly, the prototype is in line with our target market, since our target market are 2 countries, which are the USA, which has different states such as Minnesota and Colorado states, and the second country is Netherlands. And this prototype is connected to the target market in a way that the vintage will, with its persuasive pictures and text, and also the headline will evoke the clients to come and buy the Akim Beach Cruiser. The text, and also the text itself contains it contains a different information, giving the people a clue about the bikes, the low prices, and also the advantages of having the bikes. The age, which is between 19 to 45 years old, is also connected to the clients buying the bikes, as the reports from Bike League proves that the people within that age range are bicycle friendly compared to the other age ranges. In addition, most of these people in this age are the ones that are affected by problems of transportation, and this ad will evoke them to buy bikes, which will in return reduce their cost and other excuse me, another transportation problem they face in their daily to day activities. The second prototype print, when one looks at it, it seems that it has a black and white pictures, which it has only, and this is a vintage from the historical influence of the 1890, excuse me, of the 1890s, and the pictures are only in black and white, and these pictures were used to attract the viewers' attention and persuade them to buy the product. We can see on the prototype provided that there are also several images that illustrate how the promoted product looks like, which is the Akim Beach Cruiser. The visuals or the verbal synergy of the ad match with the headline of the ad, and these visuals communicate a certain message to the viewers, and these visuals also show that there is a mood of doing sports, which helps one to get healthy if they get a chance to use these bikes. There's also a slogan that also pertains to the visuals, and the text of the ad, which is the main text of the ad. Lastly, there's a call to action whereby it calls customers to do something or to come and buy the Akim Beach Cruiser. This call to action also persuades, as I mentioned before, it persuades people to be able to go for the main product that is being advertised in the ad. Connecting this ad to our target market, we can see that the adults and the people between the age of 19 to 45 will buy the Akim Beach Cruiser, since this will be a bike that most of the adults will be buying. First, because this ad has a text that persuades them to buy the bikes, because they will be enjoying doing sports and also contributing to their health benefits. Among all the people, this age range understands more why people should own bikes, because they help one to increase, as I mentioned, to increase their strength and increase endurance and stamina, which is also well thought mostly by the age range. As we know very well that the people from 19 and to 45 years are the people that are more concerned about their health and are well conversant about different ways of how to maintain their health. Hence, this is going to also be an advantage to them. So this ad also connects to the target market in a way that in China and the USA, there are the highest percentage of whole population. Therefore, since there are many compared to the other age ranges, this gives assurance that they will be the first to buy these bikes, since they would like to be fit and reach their destination early without any other obstacles or traffic jam. Another thing that will help us reach the target market is the 30-second TV spot. This is the TV commercial script that shows a vintage of the 1890s, where TV ads were not that developed a lot, but they used visuals such as black and white images, because of the TV's visuals were only black and white. This ad has different visuals that persuade the viewer to take actions. The ad also reveals the theme of earnings, the right to be respected, and it also helps one to attain time management. Lastly, this script of the TV commercial shows that having a bike helps one to resolve problems. That may be caused by cars and other materials of transportation that one cannot resolve. This commercial spot is directly connected to the target market in a way that the actors in it are all youth, and the play is all about how youth can find solution to not being late within a meeting and any other things required to them to be on time. Therefore, they will be impressed. The youth will be impressed by this ad, which is also our targeted customers, and it will evoke them to take action and buy the Akim Beach Cruiser. With our target market, we think that these print ads plus the commercial plot will help us to success, because the states mentioned are bicycle-friendly states. Netherlands is the country which is the highest number of cyclists. Females and males between 19 and 45 years are the highest boomers who ride bikes. It is easy to get a plot to park your bike, rather than having a car whereby you will not get easily a spot to park your car in case there is a traffic jam. Having the target market and having different aspects that will favor the purchasing of the bikes, this will make Akim widget successful. Different visuals will evoke people to contact Akim and appeal to different people, and it will also attract people to buy the product from Akim widget. Thank you very much for your kind attention.